barely alive. All right, let's flip him over. We're gonna kill him quick, humanely. We're gonna go just small knife. It's gonna go right down the middle. Cha! There we go. A little bit. I usually like to pull that piece off right away. Pull that piece off. These are the lungs. You just need to kind of rip those dudes off. With your hands. Get rid of them. You don't want to eat those. This is just the gut area. It's not too bad. Little rinse. The rest of it's all meat. Seasoning. Yeah, seasoning. I like to rip off the mouth and stuff too. Part 2. Yes, most of the guts ended up on that side. Lungs, mouth. These aren't the end of the world. There's not to get off there. Number 2. They're kind of cool. Look how they fold up so nice. And I guess they eat through here. They're part of the king crab family. Live in super deep water. They're not very aggressive. That. Oh, mouthpiece there. More long pieces. Oh goodness. Good to go. Where? Oh, on that side. Ooh, I guess they're sharp. He's fighting back. He's fighting back. That's good. Good to go. Into the pot.